Brushing looks so boring to me when I used to use this toothbrush, but not anymore. Here's the UltraCare Pro UNIQ Electric Toothbrush that makes my morning routine super exciting. Today, let's unbox it. The main toothbrush unit. Two toothbrush heads so that your brushing needs are sorted for a year. One C-type charging cable because it's rechargeable. One user manual for effective guidance on how to use the product. Done with the unboxing. Now let's take a look on how to use the product. Attach the toothbrush head by aligning the front of it with the front of handle. Short press the power button to turn the toothbrush on. Again, short press the power button to switch between the different brushing modes. The green light will indicate the selected modes. There are 5 brushing modes. Clean mode for complete plaque removal and deep cleaning of the teeth and gums. Polish mode for polishing teeth and removing surface stains. Milder mode for sensitive teeth and gums. White mode for making your teeth white and shiny. Massage mode for massaging the gums and enhancing oral health. Every 30 seconds, the toothbrush will buzz to remind you to switch the brushing zones. It also has an auto shut-off feature and switches off after 2 minutes of use, which is the ideal dentist recommended brushing time. To manually turn it off, long press the power button. Now, to keep your toothbrush clean, remove the toothbrush head and rinse it under the water. Buying this toothbrush has definitely made the brushing much more exciting and effective than before. Thanks for watching.